Hey guys, so my name is Molly and I just became a mascara artist probably about a week ago. I have been using their makeup for I'd say like a year and a half now, and I just became an artist and I basically bought the small box. So there are two packages that you can purchase whenever you become an artist so that you have a lot of makeup that you can work with. You can either purchase a small amount or like a really large amount. I believe the small one was $200 and the large one was $400. And I was not really feeling like putting in that big of an investment just to start, which is kind of like what I did whenever I started with the makeup myself. So this is all that I had up to right now. So it's just like one compact with 4 tins. And then I also bought this brush. I think this is called like the 30-second hack brush. And so, yeah, I'm gonna open up the box. I kind of wish I would have seen somebody else do a video of like what is their box like. You know, the small mascara new artist box, just to kind of like see what I was gonna get. So let's open it up. All right, so here is my package. Just got it from my front door. Let's see here. Cut the tape. And open it up. Oh my gosh, the packaging is so cute. I don't know if you can see that, but this is like a mirror on the cardboard. So cute. And then it says "Hello Gorgeous" and there's like a kiss. That's pretty adorable. And then same thing, "Hello Gorgeous," and this super cute letter saying like they're excited to have me as an artist. Okay, this cool booklet with really pretty pictures. Awesome. I'm sure that I should go through this and probably pay attention to everything in this, learn all of this stuff. Okay, cool. Okay, oh my goodness, so exciting. Okay, so here we have, it looks like 3 compacts. So remember, this is the compact that I already have. And this looks like that again, like maybe 2 of those. So that looks like another one for 4 tins. And then another one for 4 tins. Yep, okay. And a bigger one, I believe, I might have this wrong, I believe that this is called the double hack stack. This is awesome because I totally do not have one of these. And I think you put the tins the other way. You put them horizontally in this one instead of vertical like I was doing already. Okay, cool. Okay, next. This is the 3D Perfector. Oh, it's a sponge. It's a makeup sponge. Awesome. Those are cool whether or not you use mascara makeup. What is this? Artist. Ooh, oh my gosh, so many tins. Let's see here. Highlight, mango highlight, wheat highlight. So let's see here, 4, 5 highlights. Looks like I got 2 brushes too. I'm gonna get back to that in a second. Some contours. That's a highlight. Highlight. Oh my goodness, so many colors. I really hope that I get some, ooh, dust, vanilla dust setting powder. I really wanted this to kind of like set, because you know, like since it's cream-based makeup, if you don't know, mascara is cream-based makeup, so this is like the setting powder, which I really feel like I was using another setting powder, just like drugstore stuff, which was fine, but I'm hoping that this will like work even better. Okay, I got one Lip and Cheek Ballerina. Cool, pumped about that. An illuminator, beautiful. I actually have pearl already, but that's okay. Could always use more. Highlight, contour, contour, highlight, highlight. Oh, lip and cheek, another one. Pink grapefruit. So these are so cute. I love the packaging on these. They're adorable. There's like little flamingos and this like cute little triangle in a circle, or it's like a pyramid. And then this is beautiful. So they just like slide open. And then you just kind of get rid of the top part, which is kind of a bummer because it's so pretty, but you know, you don't need it once you have it in your compact. I guess unless you want to bring this along, if you don't have enough space or something. So, okay, so I got 2 lip and cheeks. I got 1 vanilla dust, 1 illuminator. I got highlight, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 highlights. And 1, 2, 3, 5 contours. Okay, so I'm thinking that this is because they want me to do makeup on other people to encourage them to purchase mascara makeup. So that's cool. So I'm like all set to like, you know, give people makeovers. I got the 30-second hack brush and the Buffy. So the 30-second hack brush is what I already have, and I love this. It is super high quality brush. I don't know if there's something different about it because it's cream-based makeup, but it is just like a really nice brush. And then the Buffy, the chosen one. Let's see what this is like. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's even a little heart on the end right there. Oh, okay, so it shows it on the back. So you can see there's like a little picture. So it's basically like a smaller, oh, that was weird. Okay. Smaller brush. Looks like it'll be a little bit stiffer because it has shorter bristles than the 30-second hack brush. So I don't know exactly what you use that for, but I'm gonna learn. I'm gonna figure it out. Okay. And then, I don't know, is that it in the box, or is there something under here? Holy crap, there's a bunch of stuff. Okay. So I've seen this picture online. This is gonna help me because I'm totally still learning how to apply all of this makeup. So building your 3D foundation, and then how to do different eye shadows. Okay, I'm really bad at eyeshadows, so that's great. And then let's see here. Redefine the makeup beauty routine. Okay, blah, blah, blah. Okay, these are like, I guess that these are just like papers to give people. I'm not really sure. I don't really know yet. Okay, but looks cool. This looks like if I would have like a party maybe. This is a catalog. Looks like a few catalogs. Oh, and there's even more. There's a lot of them. Okay, so they want me to be giving out catalogs. Geez, I don't think I realized that I was gonna be even doing that. But maybe I will, you know, once COVID is over, and we're back to real, like, regular life. I think that would be super fun. Lots of catalogs. Okay, should I become a mascara artist? And then it's like this cute flow chart. Most things lead back to yes, do it. Adorable! Ah, I'm so excited! All right, so that is the official unboxing of the small Maskcara Artist box, the $200 starter box for a mascara artist. Okay. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you kind of get a better idea of what you might get in your artist kit. I have read places, though, that there is no way to request specific colors or specific items for like the tins to be in there. I think it's just kind of like you get what you get, and then hopefully you can use those on different potential customers as you are like building your clientele. So that's pretty cool. I'm so excited. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.